Brother Bong and Sister Jingle, thank you so much wisdom and knowledge na inimpart nyo sa amin, especially sa aming mag-asawa. Maraming salamat sa samahan na samahan natin sa household. And good luck po sa bagong tatahakin nyo, bagong service. And magkikita-kita pa rin po tayo.
Hello, Tita Bong and Tita Jingle. We are so blessed. Yung last natin na MCG, yung Untold Blessings, you are one of those, especially during our growing years dito sa community, in our service. Thank you for your faithfulness sa ating household. At kami nga minsan nalilate minsan sa household, di ba? Kaya pa galing ng Abu Dhabi, nauna pa sa amin. Pero alam naman namin na you are always there for us, and hindi matatawaran yung inyong service sa community. Thank you for being the pillars of this CFC Al-Ain. Yung pinalakas nyo yung CFC Al-Ain, at yung sinabi nyo sa amin sa upper, yung pinaka-sikrito lang kung bakit naging ganito is yung faithfulness natin sa household. So, thank you for your legacy, and thank you for your trust to us also, and for yung mga natutunan natin sa household, especially yung mga wisdom, at saka yung nung times na kami po ay struggling din also in our aspect ng aming buhay, especially in so many ways. We cannot say na, but you know it well, and truly you have believed in us, and you have never abandoned us, and tayo lang nakaalam nun, and also in our household. But the beauty of our samahan sa household dito sa sector ng Al-Ain is cannot be hindi patawaran po. At all we wish from you is to you is good luck and God bless to your new service, to your new calling, and sama kami sa inyong panalangin din sana dito sa Al-Ain na patuloy kaming maging lumago at maging dumami pa dito sa Lord. So, we honor you as a family and husband and wife. Thank you for your dedication, and we will always be praying for you also, and also your family. Thank you for sharing your time and your talent, and for strengthening also our music ministry. And thank you very much, and words are not enough to give you thanks. And I know you have another calling, and you have answered it. It's a lot of responsibility, but we know kaya nyo yan. And nandito lang naman kami, di ba? Isang tawag lang kayo pag may mga teaching. So, once again, thank you for sharing your life and your self, your family to us here in CFC Al-Ain. And we will love you, and we will surely miss you in our household. Merry Christmas,
Merry
and
Christmas.
Happy New Year. God bless you.